Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use the group items feature in QuickBooks. This is incredibly useful if you want to bundle multiple products together, like creating a coffee and pastry combo for your shop, so you can sell them as one package instead of adding each item individually to every invoice. Let's start by heading over to your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Once you're there, look to the left sidebar and click on the Sales menu. This is where you'll manage all your products, services, and customer transactions. From the options that appear, select Products and Services. This section houses everything you sell, and it's where we'll be creating your new bundle. Now, in the upper right corner of the screen, you'll see a button labeled New. Click on it. A drop-down menu will appear with different product types you can create. For grouping items together, you'll want to choose Bundle. This is QuickBooks' way of letting you combine multiple products or services into a single sellable package. Once you select Bundle, you'll be taken to a setup page. In the name field, type something descriptive like morning coffee combo. This is what will appear on your invoices and sales receipts, so make sure it's clear and customer friendly. Below that, you can enter a description, something like combination of coffee and pastry for morning customers works perfectly. This helps your team understand what's included and keeps everything organized. Next, click on Add Products and Services. This is where you build the bundle by selecting the individual items you want to include. For example, click on one of your coffee products, let's say an Americano. Then add one of your pastry products, like a croissant. After selecting each item, you'll need to enter the quantities. In this case, you'd enter one for the coffee and one for the croissant, so each bundle includes one of each. Here's an important option to consider. You'll see a checkbox that says Show Bundle Components on Sales Forms. If you check this, your invoices will list each individual item in the bundle separately. If you uncheck it, only the bundle name will appear. Choose based on whether you want your customers to see the breakdown or just the combo name. Finally, click Save and Close to create your morning coffee combo group item. Now, whenever you create an invoice or sales receipt, you can add this bundle with a single click instead of manually adding each product. It saves time and keeps your sales process streamlined. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.